Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you from Norwood, Young America. It's about 5 in the afternoon, just closing up shop for the day. Only reason I'm stopping is because my calves are sunburned. Been doing a lot of, my calves are sunburned. We got to stop for the day. But I got a lot done. I'm going to turn you around and show you what we got. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. But don't be, remember to subscribe, share these videos, and comment if you want. Yeah, here, check it out. All right, yesterday, or Tuesday, I should say, I got the bottom rails on the fence all the way around. Today, I had stuff going on yesterday, so I wasn't able to come out here yesterday. So I got here this morning. I brought some stuff back to Menards. I got here about 10 o'clock this morning and just got done here at 5. So still put in a pretty long day. But when I got here, I added the top rail to the fence all the way around by myself. And then I started to stain the fence about an hour and a half ago. So this is how much I got finished so far. But I'm going to hire a couple workers tomorrow and have that done in an hour, and then have them add some soil to these beds. And then Monday I'm getting a mini skid steer, and I'm going to finish off this whole area with pea gravel or river rock. What we got over here? Is that a box? Oh no, it's my little mini chainsaw. Right here. Yeah. Things are kind of cool. But how do you think that stain looks? Kind of gives it a nice natural look, and it also seals up that wood. So it will beat up when it rains. And you know, some of these, you see I painted all the way to the top, but all I was doing is wasting stain, because that stuff's getting chopped off. So I stopped going up to the very top, because I'm going to be sawing off the tops of these once I get the fence wrapped around this. I'm going to be sawing off the tops of these, so they'll all be the same size. Some are a couple inches taller than others, or whatever. It all comes out the same once you cut them all off. Anyway, that's what we're getting closer to planting these out. I want to have these planted no later than Wednesday of next week. I wish I could do it sooner, but I can't get my mini skid steer delivered here till Monday. Otherwise, I'd do it tomorrow. So that's my hold up. It's kind of going to slow me down a few more days, but I have some work to do out in Blaine still that I can go take care of and finish that up. I have plant some more some red currant, black currant, and golden currant trees, bushes, whatever you want to call them, in front of their house, along with some lemongrass in their landscape in the front of their house, and trying to get a hold of a couple dwarf pine nut trees. And then I'm going to mulch it and throw the rest of the pile of mulch on a lot of the guilds that are already there. They were mulched last fall, but they need a top off. And then we'll be done out in Blaine. And that's a special one. That's beautiful, beautiful landscape. And I can't wait I'm going to go when I'm out there, I'm going to take pictures because everything has fruit on it now, all the trees. And it's just going to be, it's just a great looking yard, and it's in the middle of the burbs. So you can have a food forest in the burbs. And, you know, they look great, you know, so, you know, all these ornamental trees, they don't do anything for you but put shade in your yard and leaves in your yard. And what do you do with the leaves? You will rake them up and go throw them out. But if you had a food forest, you would have a compost bin. And then you would fill the compost bin up with your leaves. And guess what that turns into, people? Soil. And that's why you see leaves laying on the forest floor everywhere, because they turn into soil. Plus they provide habitat for all the bugs and critters and bacteria and all that stuff that helps with nature and everything doing its part. But yeah, mulch is important. Anyway, I talked too much already. I have an hour drive home, so I got to get moving. Anyway, grow food, not lawns, my friends. And if you want to have me design a food forest for your yard and install it, give me a shout at travis@foodforestabundance.com or visit my website, foodforestabundancemn.com, and get a hold of me. Talk to you later. Have an amazing day.